This seems like kind of a silly project, but these happen to be my wife's favorite glasses. Plastic for some reason, maybe because they're purple, I don't know. Cracking and starting to leak. And I just got some new Fix PC11. So I'm going to give it a shot. I'm going to try it, see how it works. So first step, glue gun. And I'm going to let this set for a few minutes. It does its best work if you just let it work by itself. Downward pressure and we'll work that glue off. A little isopropyl to get those oils off. Top of a pretzel lid that I cut a circle out of, which I'm going to use to mix my product. Yeah, it's worth salvaging because I can use it again. That's pretty good. Good cleanup. Isopropyl. If I take a sponge and I push it down, well, you know what? That looks pretty good. Alright, here's one for you. A little bit I got left. Right there. Alright, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to come back and sand that out. Okay. It's been about 20-30 minutes, but it's still tacky enough that I found some sprinkles. Well, you know, what the hell. There we go. Why not? You know, it is what it is. That's going to be fine. This is the one that had a little chip on it. And just for grins, you see the buildup just for grins, I'm going to try something. Muriatic acid, diluted 50% bubbling. Toothpick. Let me go ahead and rinse it. I took it back, gave it a good rinse. So, there you go, my dear. Enjoy your extended life glasses. And as always, somehow, I hope you learned something. I know I did. And please subscribe, it does help.